Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to record with Canvas Studio using Studio Capture, a powerful tool built into Canvas that lets you create and share videos directly within your course. From your Canvas dashboard or course navigation menu, click on Studio. This will take you to the main Canvas Studio interface where all of your videos are stored. Click the Create button in the top right corner. You will see three options: Studio Capture, Screencast-O-Matic, and Add Media. If it's your first time using Studio, you may be prompted to download the screen recording software. This step may vary depending on your device. After launching the recorder, choose what you want to record: your screen, your webcam, or both. To record your webcam, click on the recorder icon and make sure you have a video source selected and that screen capture is set to disabled. If you would like to record your screen, select Screen Capture and click Enabled. This will allow you to record a specific tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. If you would like to record both your webcam and screen, select Screen Capture and click Enabled, then choose Entire Screen. Select the screen that you want to record, then click on Share. Make sure you have a video source selected. When you are ready, click the blue Start Recording button to begin. If needed, you can click the Pause button to pause your recording. When you're done, select Finish. Give your video a title and click Save Media to upload the video to your Canvas Studio library. You can then embed it on a page, in announcements, or assignments within your course. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to record with Canvas Studio using Studio Capture. We hope it helps you create more engaging content for your students. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.